Hey everybody, welcome back to Get Heated. If you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription. Today we're doing something completely out of the norm, and you might like it, you might hate it. If you like it, hit that like button. If you hate it, let me know in the comments. I look forward to hearing from everybody. Other than that, well, let's get to it. Today represents a monumentous occasion, not only for me personally, but for my channel. And I'm going to introduce you to a few minutes of just what exactly that is.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get
have for you today, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed making it, and we're going to see a lot more of that content in the near future. So stay with us, and hopefully we'll keep you entertained. Until then, take it easy. I love you.